Hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Bienvenidos. I don't know why I'm so excited for this video. You can probably tell because I'm like smiling from ear to ear. But today I was watching a video on YouTube. It came up on my recommended videos and it was by Lindsay Ray. It popped up and I clicked it and I was watching it, and she did a video trying out all of the fall Starbucks drinks and the treats, like the little pastries. So that is what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm gonna head over there now. I'll tell you guys the drinks like once I order them. Just a little side note though, I have never tried a pumpkin spice latte. Never, from anywhere. So this is the first time. I'm like a super virgin to the PSLs, but yeah, I'm gonna try that today and I'm excited. I'm a little nervous though because I don't know about like pumpkin tasting drinks, but we'll see. Some of these do sound pretty good, and then I'm gonna try, like I said, some of the little pastries that they have. Before we get started, of course, if you aren't already following me on my Instagram, you should head over there. It's at Marie J. I'm always posting on there whenever I'm not here on YouTube. And I just put up a little question thing asking you what your favorite Starbucks fall drink is, and I might feature it in a part 2 of this video. We'll see, but it'll be up there for 24 hours. So if you're watching this video a little bit later, it won't be there, but you can always let me know in the comments down below to your favorite fall Starbucks drink. But let's go ahead and get into these Starbucks drinks. They're pulling up. By the way, I'm gonna order all of these drinks tall and iced. I'm thinking of ordering the pumpkin spice latte both iced and hot because some people are saying that it tastes different when it's hot, that it's better when it's hot, but I want to try both.
Hello, thank you for choosing Starbucks. Can I start out any pastry items today?
Yes, I'm gonna get a few actually. Pumpkin cream cheese muffin.
Unfortunately, we don't have the pumpkin stuff anymore.
Ah.
Yeah, we're out of the pumpkin scone and the pumpkin cream cheese muffin and the loaf as well.
What about the pumpkin spice Madelines? Do you guys have those?
I have one right here in drive-thru, yeah.
Okay, cool. So I'll get one of those.
Okay.
And then I have a few drinks too. So I'm gonna try a tall iced pumpkin spice latte.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna get a tall hot pumpkin spice latte.
One ice and then one hot?
Yes.
Okay.
Then a tall pumpkin cream cold brew.
A tall size?
Yes.
Anything else?
A tall salted caramel mocha.
Okay.
Are those all of the fall drinks that you guys have?
We have a pumpkin cream cold brew that's not nitro.
Okay, I'll try that one.
Tall?
Yeah.
And then, let's see, we have a frappuccino.
Okay, I'll try that one too.
Anything else?
That'll be it.
All right. So, and then remind me about the Madelines at the windows. I can scan them for you.
Okay.
Because your total will change. So
Okay.
Go ahead and pull forward.
Thank you.
You got it.
He was being really nice. Usually they're like weirded out about asking for so many drinks, but no, he's really nice. And something was telling me to go to a different Starbucks. I was like, I kind of want to go to a different Starbucks because I came to this one last time, but I was like, no, it's the closest one. Let's just go there. And they didn't have the pumpkin scone or the cream cheese muffin. That actually sounds really good. So I'm gonna go to a different Starbucks and order those.
Hi.
Hi.
It's gonna be $29.85.
Okay.
The Madelines.
Thank you.
And then if you ever do try the scone, get it warmed up on like cookie setting.
Okay. It's good. Yeah,
I've not the frosting or anything. The scone's better than the muffin.
Okay.
But it's just
Warm.
The
Okay.
bottom, like the bread gets warm, it just kind of breaks apart.
And you said that for the scone?
Yeah.
Okay.
The muffin's good warmed up too, but the scone is what takes the cake.
Okay.
It's really good. I owe you 2 straws right now.
Okay.
And they're all labeled.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Sure. Was it a Starbucks run for somebody?
No, I'm doing a YouTube video.
Oh.
Trying all of the fall.
What's your channel called?
Marie J.
Marie J?
Marie J.
Like J-A-Y?
Yes.
Okay, I'll look it up.
Yeah. Cool. What's your name? Julian.
Julian.
Okay. Cool. Thank
see you around
you. Shout out to Julian from the Pico Starbucks. He was so nice, and he recommended like some of the, like how I should try the little scones. So I'm gonna go right now actually to a different Starbucks I'm going to a Starbucks that is in Target, which is very dangerous because I'm trying to be in and out. I just want to go in there and get what I'm going for and walk right out. Okay, I ended up going to 2 other Starbucks because the one inside Target did not have the scone. They did have the what is this one? Oh, they didn't label it. They did have the muffin, but they didn't have the scone. So I went to a different one that wasn't drive-through and wasn't inside of a Target, and they had the scone, and they did warm it up. I have 4 right here in this cup holder, and then I have 2 more in my car cup holder. So I'll first try the iced pumpkin spice latte. I don't even know what I'm picturing this tasting like. Ooh, this is actually, this does not taste anything like what I was picturing. I was picturing a super strong pumpkin taste. You can taste the coffee for sure, but it doesn't taste like overpowering. I'll give that, what do I rate that? I'll give that like a good 8. That's like, that's good. It doesn't taste like what I was picturing. Okay, so I'm gonna try actually the hot one just so I can kind of compare them. I was gonna do the other cold one, but this is the pumpkin spice latte, but in the hot version. Some people say that this one tastes different when it's hot. Iced, it was pretty good, so let me see this one. Okay, this does have more of a pumpkin taste, but it is not bad. It does not taste like pumpkin pie. I don't like pumpkin pie. This doesn't taste like that. That's what I was already like tasting in my mouth before even trying these. And it does taste different hot than it does iced. Iced, it tastes more like a, it just kind of tastes like a regular kind of iced coffee. But this, when it's hot, you can really taste that pumpkin spice to it. So both of those are really good. I'm gonna give this one like a 9, and this one, yeah, I would say that this one's like a 8. So now I'm gonna try the tall pumpkin frappuccino. This one has more whipped cream and more cinnamon in it, and it's lighter than this one. Let me see for comparison. There's people across that are probably looking at me like, what is this girl doing? What the heck, these drinks are good. I don't know why it took me so long to try them. This one is bomb. This is a 9. And I like the frappuccino more than the just like regular iced one. I like it blended. Honestly, I was expecting the pumpkin drinks to really taste nasty. Like I don't know what I was thinking. Tall salted caramel mocha. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like this one because it sounds like something I would get. It has more of a, obviously like a mocha taste to it, and I'm not really a mocha. To me, this one is like a 5 or a 6 because I'm not a mocha girl. So that aftertaste is not. It's good, don't get me wrong, but I like all the other ones so far more. This is the pumpkin caramel, what is it called? Let me see. Pumpkin caramel cold brew, and this is what this one looks like. I'm picturing this one tasting kind of nasty just based on how it looks right here. I don't know, I don't taste like the pumpkin part of it, and it tastes more like coffee. It's a little stronger. That one I would give it like a 6, like a 5 or a 6. It's not a drink that I would order again, if I'm being honest. And this one is a tall nitro pumpkin CF. It's not a caramel frappuccino. I don't know what the CF stands for. Is cloud foam? Is that a thing at Starbucks? I don't know, but that's what it is. It says tall nitro pumpkin CF. I don't even remember, but that's what this one's labeled. The foam part looks so thick, but this one on top has cinnamon. The other one didn't have cinnamon on top, I don't think. This one does. I'm trying to taste the difference between this one. This one is strong. I think this one's stronger, I want to say. I don't know what the difference is besides that. None of the two have a strong pumpkin taste. One's nitro, one's not. This one seems like it's stronger. And I keep drinking it. Yeah, I don't really like this one. Oh my god. Yeah, I would give this one probably like a 3. If that. So those are all the drinks. Now I want to try the pastries. I'm first going to do the scone because it's still a little bit warm and I want to make sure to try this one when it's warm. This is the scone. Oh, it smells so good. By the way, because I was going in and out of my car and this stuff was sitting in here, my car smells like fall. It smells like coffee and like pumpkin. It smells really good. So this is the scone. Here's an up close frosting on top. This is so freaking good. Keep in mind, I don't really do frosting. Sweets in general, cakes, icing, really sweet stuff, it's not me. Chocolate, it's not me. Very minimal, but this is so good. Get it warmed up. I probably wouldn't like this if it wasn't warm, and I would eat this with like a glass of milk. I don't do pumpkin pie, pumpkin flavored anything. That is so good. I had to stop myself from eating the whole thing because I still have 2 other things to try. Pumpkin spice Madelines. These cookies. The Madelines regular ones are really good, so these I'm pretty sure. If I'm liking all this pumpkin stuff, I'm pretty sure these are going to be good too. They're good. Because it doesn't have icing on it, I'm getting more of the straight up pumpkin taste. It tastes like you're just eating the bread part of the scone. They're good. A little more like simple than the scone. They're alright. And lastly, I have I forget the name of this because it's not on here. This is the pumpkin cream cheese muffin. I like cream cheese. It looks pretty good. Boom. There's a cream cheese right on top. I probably should have tried the scone last because now my expectations are really high. This one is, I don't know. Yeah, I wouldn't get this one. I don't know if it's the mixture of the cream cheese with the pumpkin. This is not doing it for me. Hands down, my favorite ones. The pumpkin scone warmed up, cookie temperature, to be specific. If I want something hot from the fall drinks, I would do the hot pumpkin spice latte. And I would do it tall. I wouldn't get any bigger because I feel like I would kind of get over the taste. It's good, don't get me wrong. It's like literally almost like a 10. But I'm just somebody that I can have a little bit of something and I'll be good. And the pumpkin, if I want something cold, I would do the pumpkin frappuccino. The latte, the iced latte is good too, but for some reason, something about the frappuccino, the latte is like a runner-up. If you've tried any of the Starbucks drinks that I tried in this video, let me know which one is your favorite or which one you're kind of thinking of trying. I'm already going through some of the ones on Instagram and a lot of them sound really good. If you enjoyed this one, make sure to click the little thumbs up button that's right down there. You can also follow me on Instagram at Marie J. Lastly, all of the names for the drinks and the treats that I tried will be in the description box, so you can easily just screenshot it and go to Starbucks and order it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, los quiero mucho, and I will see you all in my next video.